So I am making bread pudding for the very first time. I have most of my bread already sliced here in cubes. This is the last of it. Ready? I have my sugar here, caramelizing the sugar. I have my butter. And I'm going to put all of this bread inside of this container. Oops. My nice casserole here. Oops. No, I throw this out. Already. And I'm going to drizzle some of this hot butter here on top of the bread. Okay. Nice. Ready? Turn that off. Stir the sugar on this end. Turn it down low. All right, so I have my milk here. I have just the regular 1% milk. Already. I'm gonna pour it on the bread so it can soak in a bit. You ready? I have about 2 cups. I have this cup here. Inside of the cup, I have nutmeg and cinnamon and a little vanilla. So I'm gonna pour it on her. Nice and easy. Yep. Ready? Okay. I gotta beat the egg. Oops. Alright, I'm gonna turn this one off. That's my caramelized sugar. Okay. Just gonna pour the egg on it right here like that. I'm gonna let this all come to a nice soak. Okay. That's that. I'll put that away. Okay. I'm gonna pour the sugar on it. Oh, I should have turned it the other way, this way. Okay. Alright. I'll let this soak in for about 5 minutes. Smells good, I can tell you that. Smells very good. I think my container may be too big, huh? What do you think? I think this container is a little bit too much for this. So, I am definitely going to switch containers. Let me just let it soak in a little bit. And then I'll switch containers. Alright, I'm going to get a new container. Already, I gotta wash it. I gotta wash it. Okay. Can you see my new container? You will in a minute. Okay, my new container is here. ready. I'm gonna grease it. So I'll put some of this butter in here. Grease this container. That's not enough. I put a little oil here. And oops, where is it? There it is. Ready? Oops. Okay. I'm switching the container here. Let's try doing it this way. Ooh, this looks good. Okay. Nice. Looks very nice. Okay. I have some raisins here. I'm gonna put, oh, wait a minute. My raisin is stuck. Let's get the raisin. You know what? I use my hand. Why am I trying to be fancy? No reason to be fancy. Nope, no reason to be fancy. Just put it on like you normally do when no one is watching. Okay. So the raisin look good. I'm gonna put this in the oven for 45 minutes at 350 degree temperature. All right, I think this is enough. I have about 2 ounces of raisin here, and that looks good. That's enough. I eat this one. All right, very nice. So I'm gonna let it soak for about 5 minutes and then put it in the oven for 45 minutes, and we will speak afterwards. Behold my bread pudding. She is out the oven and looking good. Not yet. I can't say delicious yet. She's very hot though. Very hot. I gotta cut a piece for someone special. So let's look at the corner. There is the corner. Get a nice flow. So this is your bread pudding. How do I look? How do I look? Ooh, baby. She is ready. Ready to be had. Ooh, cut and print. Beautiful. Okay. So I heard that the bread pudding is best served hot. So I'm going to take a piece from the middle half. See what she looks like. Get her up here. There you go. Nice and hot. Nice and hot. Take a look at that, baby. Okay. So, as they say, the proof is in the pudding. Proof is in the pudding. It's very hot, so I'm gonna have to try and cool it down a little bit. Ooh. All right, let's see. This is very good. I'm gonna call. Someone would like some of this bread pudding. This is very good. Try it.